What's up guys, I'm the East Coaster fan and today we're going to take a tour of Kings Creek Plantation. This is a resort in Williamsburg, Virginia, and in my opinion is a great place to stay. It consists of 3 different sections: the cottages, the estates, and the towns, which is the section we're going to be looking at. But before we do that, I'm just going to share a few facts about this resort. Kings Creek is right next to Water Country, USA, but is also nearby Busch Gardens and Colonial Williamsburg, so you're never really far away from all the fun activities. It is a 4-star resort and it has many amenities such as fitness centers, pools, tennis courts, and playgrounds. The resort also has a lot of scenery, from a lot of trees to a lot of bushes, which gives the resort a much better look in my opinion. Alright, now that I've given an overview of the resort, let's check out one of the towns. Now, these rooms consist of 2 floors. You're either on the bottom floor or the top floor. For the sake of this video, we're going to be going to the top floor, but just know that the bottom has the exact same layout as the top. Now this door is shared by 2 rooms. There is one on your left and one on your right. There is really no difference between the rooms, they're just mirrored versions of each other. But for the sake of this video, we're going to be going on the right side. Alright, so when you enter the room, there's going to be this bedroom right here, with a nice window and a door connecting to the bathroom and a closet. Here is the connection to the bathroom from the outside hallway. You have a toilet, a sink, and a shower. This right here is where the dryer is located, along with a sink and cabinets. To your left is the kitchen area, where there's a refrigerator, microwave, oven, and many additional accessories that will help you make good meals. There is also a garbage disposal in the sink. Here is your countertop and your table. Above the table is a good source of light. And here's your living room area. You have a couch, 2 chairs, and a good TV over a fireplace. Here's your second bedroom. This time it has a king-size mattress. This also has a toilet and a shower as well, but this also has a bath. This is the final section of the room, and this is an additional living room. That couch can be turned into a pull-out sofa, and there is another TV. Each room is also equipped with windows on the back, which can give you views of scenery, the pool, and many other things. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this room tour and consider one day possibly staying here at Kings Creek Plantation. If you liked this video, please make sure to give it a like. If you really liked it, make sure to subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.